Congratulations, Marks, for the display of the lightwood panel produced by GREENPANEL. Can you explain a little more about this concept?
The concept is that we have a lightweight construction panel, and the benefits are that we have very less amount of materials and very high loading bands. So it's the advantage is obvious that you don't need a lot of material in this producing.
And strength-wise, how you can compare this product with a solid MDF or a chipboard?
Well, mainly the advantage is that this board is much stronger than a solid board because it's a structure. And that's the biggest advantage. And for how thicker you go, how cheaper it will get, and it's much cheaper than the solid one.
So it has got the benefit of lighter in weight and stronger in strength.
It is.
So, and how you compare, how it is priced as in the end user's point of view, using a solid wood board and a structural engineered board?
Well, actually it's the same. You go to very thin materials of us. So the smallest one that we can build, the thinnest one is 90 millimeters, and actually that's much more expensive than the solid one. But we can do this up to 100 millimeters, and that's much cheaper than the solid one, because the structure is to make it. It's the same as do it the 19 as to the 100.
So you mean thinner sections, thinner panels will be expensive, and thicker panels will be quite economic?
Yeah, well, in comparing, because of course the 19 is more cheaper than the solid one, for the 100 one, but still in comparing, the difference between them are not that large.
No. And how you compare this with respect to the acceptance from the end user's point of view? What was your experience about the accepting this new lightweight concept by the end user?
Well, in the start they only see air. When you see our product, when you focus on it, you see only the air in the product, and so the acceptance was very well, not immediately very enthusiastic. But these customers who were using the panel are still using it, and more. And that is the biggest advantage for us, that the users that we've got are the old users up till now. So that it's a big advantage. But the acceptance is very, in the beginning, very poor. Yeah.
It's like a normal, because for any new technology, the acceptance initially is little low, and once they are convinced, it goes on.
It's learning and experience, and we can explain a lot about this product, but in the end, it's the feel that you got at the end product, and when you feel it, you have immediately experience. It should be very solid and well working with it.
And what do you think this product, this technology is more useful for the furniture industry or door industry? What type of segment you look for use of such types of engineered boards?
Well, in our fact, it's more that our end users are everywhere. It's more that when they want to have a board that has a structural capacity, they use this. But when they can use another lightweight board, then normally they're much cheaper than our board. And so, when, for example, they want to have a carton board.
Yeah.
We say, well, use that. When you can use it, because ours it's much more expensive.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Mark, for the information, and congratulations, and we wish you all the best in this new adventure.
Thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.